Hi, welcome to Three Crowns Academy. My name is James Pearce. In this module, we're going to do something a bit fun. We're going to build a word cloud. Hi, everybody loves a word cloud. And here's one to look at. Well, not everybody likes a word cloud, to be truthful. They've been tagged as the new mullets, as you can see. But for most of us, word clouds are a simple and effective way to summarize important information that we see in text. Visualization purists will argue that there are better ways of visualizing text. Frequencies, for example, a bar chart like the one I'm showing here. They may have a point, but they're overlooking one important fact. With a word cloud, we can read it. Our brains can take in many words at once because we've learnt to read over the course of our lives. Word clouds speak to the way that we use our brains and the way that we read. This does not happen with other charts. So for us to make our word cloud, we're going to use the Python library that is called Word Cloud. Great name. What we need to do to use this is we're going to use the summary field, not review text, just because there's less words in it, fewer words in it. And we're going to join all the summaries together that we want to plot, and we're going to separate them by spaces. So we just provide all the words in a big long mushed together string, and we use Python's most popular plotting library, which is matplotlib, to show the results. Now here's the workbook, a notebook that I've already done this in, and let's go have a look at what we get at the end. So here's our finished word cloud plotted in matplotlib, and we can see here already a lot of things jump out. A lot of 5 stars, a lot of 4 stars, a lot of varies, book, great book, and all sorts of things. So that is what we expect to see. So try out building your own word cloud now, and you have a look in this Jupyter notebook with how to do that. In our next module, we're going to build our first naive sentiment calculator. Thank you for learning with Three Crowns Academy.